Hey, what's going on, family? It's brother Andrew back again with another video, and today we have another BackMarket unboxing. And yeah, I'm super excited for this one. If you don't know about BackMarket, it's a company that specializes in refurbished electronic products, and you know, they boast about how they're helping the world cut back on e-waste by using products that we already have. And you can get products from them of up to 70% off what you would pay for those products if they were brand new. So this is actually my second time purchasing something off of BackMarket, and I did a review on them earlier this year. You can check that out. I'll leave a card up here so you guys can check that out. But without further ado, we're gonna get into this unboxing, and yeah. All right, y'all, let's get right to it. This is the packaging. As you can see, it was shipped through UPS ground from New Brunswick, New Jersey. And I'll put the exact company that I ordered from through BackMarket on the screen when I edit the video. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. This is the box. As you can see right there, this is what I ordered: Apple Watch Series 7, 45mm aluminum midnight sport band. So yeah, I've been thinking about getting an Apple Watch for a minute, and I decided to go ahead and use BackMarket since my experience with my iPhone 12 Pro I was so satisfied. I figured I utilize BackMarket again for purchasing an Apple Watch. But yeah, it's pretty good packaging, you know what I'm saying? Got the nice bubble wrap. This is the actual Apple Watch body, and I can already see dings and scratches in it right now, like visibly. I did order this in a good condition as opposed to when I ordered excellent for my iPhone 12 Pro. So that is that. This is a band. I don't know if this is, yeah, this is an aftermarket iWatch band. So these are fairly inexpensive. The Apple ones are like 50 bucks, which is crazy because I figure it should come with the band, like an Apple band. That couldn't cost a lot, you know, so. Even, I think this is an aftermarket charger too, so that couldn't cost like crazy. But this is an Apple Watch 7, and as you can see, it does have visible scratches on it, like right there, along the button, and even on this dial right here, you can see the scratches. So I mean, I thought it would have been in a little better condition considering. Oh, I can see the screen too. It definitely has scuffs on it. This looks like it's not, it has deep scratches too. Like, this doesn't really, I don't think this qualifies as a good condition Apple Watch, because I mean, when I ordered my iPhone, I got it in excellent condition. It was immaculate. It was absolutely no scratches or anything. But this, like, I have to read online what the criteria is for a good condition device. I'm seeing a lot of visible wear and tear and scratches on it from kind of far back. So I don't know if this classifies as a good condition device. And yeah, around the edges you could definitely see scuffs and deep scratches into the screen as well. So I'm gonna charge it up and I'll come right back and let you guys see the process of me like working with it, testing it out, see if all the features work and everything like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna connect these bands. They say it's pretty simple. You just slide them in, boom. The actual band that they provided with this Apple Watch Series 7 was not up to par. You know, it was pretty worn out. I don't know if it was a official Apple Watch band, but nonetheless, it was very, very worn out, very, very heavily used, and it just didn't go in easily. As you can see, I was having a hard time getting it on. But since then, I've ordered bands of my own, and yeah, they fit perfectly and they slide in just fine. So I guess it was just the band. Little protective screen. And when you take the screen off, you can see it has some little scratches on it. Has a pretty good scratch right there. You can see right up in there. So, but the main reason why I got this Apple Watch is to work out in. You know, I'm a personal trainer, and I ordered this Apple Watch so I can have a timer and not always be pulling out my phone during my workouts or when I'm with clients. And I wanted something that I could like beat up and that is still gonna be, you know, kind of productive for me. I could just get away from having my phone in my hand all the time and still be able to keep track of the time and stuff like that. So yeah, the minor scratches is not a big deal for me. That's why I ordered it in a good condition. Although I expected the good condition to be better than what I'm seeing right now. I would personally classify this as fair condition. But I'm not gonna complain too much with the amount that I paid for it and what I'm gonna use it for. But if you're going to use this as a stylish piece to go with your casual clothing or something like that, I would suggest maybe going for the excellent condition Apple Watch, because if this is what the good condition looks like, I hate to see what the fair condition look like. But like I said, it's not a major issue for me. But if I was getting this at a different price, and I'll let you guys see what I paid for and the discount that I received. So yeah, with my iPhone 12 Pro, BackMarket was on point with it, but I'm kind of seeing a difference, a major difference when it comes from excellent condition items to good condition items. So I haven't had any experience with fair condition items off of BackMarket, but you know, for the purpose I'm gonna use this Apple Watch for, hey, it's weird, but we'll go through the pairing process right now. Boom. Continue set up. The Apple Watch cannot be completed. You cannot continue to set up on start over. So if you ever have an Apple Watch, this is the setup process. Boom. I guess some code pops up. You scan that with your phone. Boom. Just like that. Easy. One thing I like about Apple products, they kind of make everything seamless, work together, and I never really had an issue pairing my MacBook with my Mac Mini or my iPhone. I got two iPhones. I got my personal and my work iPhone, so I've never had an issue with Apple products. So, you know, I'm a fan of the Apple ecosystem just because it makes everything so seamless and everything just works together really well, especially from a productivity standpoint. So I'm not an Apple fanboy, but I am an Apple fanboy, if that makes any sense. Like, I can appreciate, you know, the usability of the ecosystem, especially when you start to have multiple Apple products. You see how easy it is. Although you lose some of the versatility that you have with Android products, because they're very much more customizable and you could just, they get the new features right away, even though like they get them before Apple gets them. But when Apple does take on some of those new features in their devices, it's like they make it a little cleaner, crisper, flow a little better than the Android product. Android is kind of, I feel like it's more customizable, but it's more messy. And for me, being I kind of like go with the flow. Like, I like kind of Apple ecosystem because it kind of keeps me somewhat organized, if that makes any sense. But yeah, but we're gonna set up the Apple Watch right now. Boom. I probably wear it on my left hand. Boom. Team. Oh yeah, I'm gonna read these. So, to be continued.